Tomioka. Baroa leads off, and Baroa. Tomioka throws, and that one's fouled off to the 1-1 from Tomioka. Off-speed breaking ball. Barely and Dean, the on-deck hitter, in the 2-1. It's outside, and Tomioka set with the next one. High pop-up. Shallow left. The shortstop, Hernandez, backing up. He's got it. Cortez was coming in from leading by 6 here in the 8th. Here's the pitch. Fastball foul back there for a while. Here's the 0-1 now to Dean. Swing and a miss. It is the 0-2 from Tomioka. Outside, ball 1. Right-hander set, and here he comes. Fastballs, that's throwing in the Oklahoma City bullpen. Pitch down and in. Here comes the right-hander's next one. Breaking ball, swung on and missed, strike 3. Here's the pitch. Fouled off to the left out of matinees, and they'll switch to nighttime action on Sundays. Take on the Rainiers. Swing and a miss. The 1-2 to Outman on the way. Tomioka throws, and the pitch is a fastball. Have an 8-2 advantage now. Pitch is ball recently, and a 3-2. And in there, strike 3 call. Fastball at night. Also 8 for 14 in the series. See if Tomioka can get him out. Pitch is Risley of the Reds, pitcher. The pitch is a 1 to Freeland. And the pitch foul back. And people who nearly quit and then went on to stardom. Fastball swung on it, and after that point, the pitch is a 5. He made a comeback with the Baltimore Orioles. He played with one of his highest home run totals of his career. There's a long drive to right field. Way back goes Thomas, and that ball's out of here. And there you go. It is a
not game.
Now Chavis takes it to the backstop. One of those guys who stands as testament to how difficult it is to get 1-1 pitch now. And it's a strike on the out. Here's the 1-2 now to Chavis, and he grounds one foul to the third base duck. And Tomioka's pitch, check swing foul, 67, and that he might have, who knows, he might have been a 600 home run guy. There's a ball rifled into the right field corner, and over there to get it is Thomas. Chavis going to second base. He'll make it with an opposite run. Now the pitch, Paducia takes it low, ball 1, 1 eye. The pitch, and that's outside, ball set. The 2-0 to Paducia. This one is in there for a strike. It's 1. Paducia waits and takes low. 3-1 now. No mean feat. Big ground ball to first. Backing up to glove it is Brown. He shovels it to Tomioka for out number 2. 8-0 at the 7th inning stretch. Here now is the strike 1 to Gauthier. It's a little high. Sunglasses giveaway. And then Saturday, here's the pitch. Oh, over his head. 2-1. It's on the way. And that's outside and low. Bobby Miller. Great outing by Miller. Pitch inside, and he went ahead and walked him. So now, first and third, 2 down. Pitch is a fastball 1 on the way to Chris Oakey. And it's down. There's the 1-1 on the way, and that's a foul ball off to the 3-game series there. Pitch is up and in, 2 out. Tomioka delivers. Fastball fouled away again. 2-2 stretch. And the pitch, it's outside. And the look in the 3-2. Slow breaking ball. Chased and missed, and down he goes. So Tomioka gets through it. 1 run.